Hello everyone, my name is Subhadra Singh and I'm a student of Bombay Teachers Training College, F.Y.B.Ed student roll number 44, and I'll be presenting three science experiments. Friends, we will be doing three science experiments, and the first experiment that I'll be performing is on static electricity. And the material we require is nylon cloth, balloon and few pieces of paper. And let's see how to do this. First, we start rubbing balloon on nylon cloth for few seconds. And when we rub the balloon on nylon cloth for few seconds, the balloon becomes negatively charged. And when we bring the balloon to paper, it attracts the paper, and even the paper tries to meet up the balloon because the paper is positively charged and the balloon is negatively charged. And from this experiment, we learn that like charges repel each other and opposite charges attract each other. Hello friends, this is my second experiment, and the second experiment is based on optical inversion, and the material we require is a water bottle, a glass and a piece of paper and pen. So let's see how to do this. First you need to make some arrows or some inverted letters or words, which I have already made as you can see. After that you have to fill the glass with water, and as soon as you start filling, we can see the direction of her arrow has changed, and this is because when light passes from one material to another it can bend or refract. And to explain this, you must think of the glass of water as a magnifying glass. When light goes through magnifying glass, the light bends towards the center. When all the lights come together at a point called as focal point, but beyond the focal point, the image appears to reverse because the light rays that were bent pass each other, and the light that was on the right side is now on the left, and the left on the right side, which makes the arrow appears to be reversed. Anytime light passes from one medium to another, it refracts. Third experiment, which is based on upside down glass of water. For this experiment you require a glass of water in bowl and a candle. First put the candle into the bowl and then light it up. Make sure the size of candle is smaller than the glass. Then gently pour water to it. The candle heats the air. The candle heats the air and expands it. This cancels the depletion and the oxygen temporarily, and the water level stays down. When the oxygen is depleted, the candle goes out and the air cools, and the volume of air decreases and the water rises.